Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to have you here again, and if you're new here, please, you are welcome, and don't forget to subscribe so that you join the family. So today I'm at a friend's house and we've decided to cook some food together. We're making butter chicken with rice, and for dessert we're also making apple pie. We started by taking everything out of the bags and putting all the ingredients on the table. We separated everything into groups, one for butter chicken and rice and the other for apple pie. Since we're making both at the same time, we got everything ready first before we started cooking.
And it's bothering mixing this and really
So that we have Ladies and gentlemen, some fresh juice. Good morning.
We also made some slushy drinks by putting fresh juice into the machine and waiting about 40 minutes for it to get ready. Since we had two things to make, we divided the tasks. Some of us worked on the apple pie while others started cooking the chicken. That way, we could make both at the same time.
measure.
Why are you crying?
This room temperature.
Oh, here. Oh.
Here and
Oh, this is the version that we did. Okay. Pretend to be busy or something. But then
I think this kind of things are a little bit more practical. I think we have to see. Girlie, I need your face. Oh, you can also fetch me a teaspoon. No, not actually. But we like it's still there.
okay, so what should I do with that? I'm
Um,
just kidding.
you're gonna create like six tracks.
Have you considered shaking on it?
I'm gonna put some here as well. The brown sugar.
We can have a bigger bowl for that because that's
And what do I put here? Do I mix?
yeah.
That looks good. Oh, okay.
We started to put the apple mixture on top of the dough that we had prepared. It got a little bit messy, but luckily I was with my friends who helped me get this right.
Yeah.
You're moving too much. I'm gonna wash my hands.
We want more flavor. Let me add more. Like my mother's house.
My mother.
Wait. Who's controlling it? I don't know how. Oh, it's splashing everywhere.
Slushy. Hey, either way, okay.
Oh, you want it?
Yeah, hold it.
Wait for this.
At this point, the food was ready, so we served ourselves and we dived in.
This is the normal pan. Is your first taste?
You just I think this was better than the last time. Just when the natural starts smelling like I can't say. I can only taste the chili. At least there's something.
And that's it for today's video. We finished cooking, ate together, and had a really nice time. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed cooking with us. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
I don't know what